In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your starred templates here in Canva. Now, when you're browsing around on Canva looking for elements, templates, graphics, or anything, you can actually star those items. So if we come over to design up here and take a look at all of these templates, if we click on the three dots, we can then star that template or graphic. So if we come up to elements, let's choose this one, let's click the three dots, we can then star this graphic. Again, you can do this with anything. Now, to find all of the items which you have starred is relatively easy. We can come over to projects just here, and then we're going to see this starred option just here. We can also click on folders, and we're going to have the starred folder just here. If we click on there, we now have all of the items which we starred. Now, another way to do this is to come over to the home page, come over to projects here on the left hand side, come over to folders, click on starred, and then you're going to find all of your starred items. Now, another thing we can do is click the star icon just here next to starred. Then if we come back to the home page, it's going to pin it to your home page just here, and all you have to do is click on there and you're going to find all of the items again which you have starred. So that's how to find all of your starred templates here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.